Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we have discussed how instring function can be used. Well, what we learned in our previous video? In our previous video, we have searched one string into another string and search was happening from left to right. In this video, we are going to discuss string reverse. So what is string reverse? Well, it will be similar to string. The only change or the only difference here is the search will happen from right to left. Many tutors teach this string reverse function wrongly to their student. In this video, I am going to give you the correct method of using string reverse. So before starting string reverse function, let me give you quick outline of what we are going to discuss in this video. First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of string reverse. Second, we are going to discuss the syntax, and also we are going to discuss the parameters which we are going to use under this string reverse. And we are going to also see one example in our Excel file. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Here it is a string reverse function. What is the string reverse function? Well, the string reverse function returns the first occurrence of one string within another string, and the search happens from the right to the left. And what is the syntax of string reverse? Well, the syntax of string reverse is this: string reverse, then open bracket, string 1, comma, string 2, comma, start, comma, compare. These all are the parameters. What is string 1? Well, it is a required parameter, which is the string to be searched. So whatever string we wanted to search into another string, we are going to write it at the place of string 1. Then what is string 2? Well, string 2 is the strings where we are searching our string 1. So here let me give you one example. My name is Pawan Patidar. I am taking it as a string 2 and I am going to search my name, which is Pawan Patidar, into that string. So my name is Pawan Patidar is a string 2 and Pawan Patidar is a string 1. And what is this start parameter? Well, it is same as earlier. It is an optional parameter, specifies the starting position for the search. The search begins at the first position from the right to the left. Well, what is this compare? Compare is also an optional parameter, specifies the string comparison to be used. It can take the following mentioned values. Well, this compare also takes the two values. If you mention nothing, then it will by default take 0 value, which is the binary comparison. It will compare the binary values of both the string. And what other value it can take? Well, it can take the value 1 and it will be comparing this both string as a text. String 1 under string 2. So let's move for one example. Here is the example. I have already shown you how you can write your program under Excel file. So here we are going to assign one button, and under that button we are going to write our program. So first of all, we have not declared our variable. So is it possible that we can write directly our variable without declaring it? Yes, it is possible if you are going to take the one value or going to assign one type of value to it. So you can directly assign one type of value to the variable. So we are assigning var as a variable. We are taking here var as a variable and we are assigning one string to it. What is that string? Well, the string is Microsoft VB script. Now we are going to see line 1 to line 7 and we are going to see various condition for string reverse. So first condition is string reverse and we are going to search S. And what is this 10? Well, you can consider this 10 as a select. First of all, we are going to select like what are the strings which we are going to search. Then we are going to do our search. Once we find the position of our string, we are going to count it from the first position. So let's take this example. The selection is 10. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So in this selection, we are going to search our S. S is the string 1 which we are going to search into this variable. And where we will be starting our search? Well, we will be starting our search from the right to the left. So 1, 2. So where is the S? Well, the position of S is here and it is in the selection. Now let's count the position of the S from the first position from the left. Keep this thing in mind that we will be searching our S from right to left, but whenever we are going to count or whenever we are going to write the output, it is going to give the output from the left position. So it will be counting the position of S from the left. So what is the position of S? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the result of the line 1 should be 6. Let's see our line 2 result. So in line 2 also we'll be applying the same thing. First of all, we'll be selecting 7 letters. Let's select it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we'll be searching our variable S from the right side. Okay, we are searching the S and it is at this position. Let's write the position of this S from the left side. We'll be writing this position. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the line 2 result will also be 6. Well, what about line 3? Well, if you are mentioning -1, it is equivalent to if you are mentioning nothing. So again, it is selecting this whole variable VAR and it is counting the position of F and it is searching F from the right side. So where is this F? Well, the F is here. Now it will be giving the position of this F from the left side. So let's count. We got the F. Let's count the position from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the line 3 result would be 8. Let's see the line 4 and find out what is this T. First of all, we'll be selecting this 5. So we'll be selecting the 5 letter from the first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 letter, we'll be searching T from the right side. Okay, so T is here. No, T is not there. If it is not there, then the result would be 0. Let's see our line 5 and see what is the result of this line 5. Well, line 5th result would be, let's find out. First of all, we'll be selecting 7 letters from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll be searching I from the right side. Okay, so we are searching I and it is at the second position. So the line 5th result would be 2 because it is at the second position from the left side. Now let's see what is the line 6 result would be. Again, we'll be selecting these 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll be going from right to left and we'll be searching I. So I is there at the second position. So the line 6th result would also be 2. Then let's see what would be line 7th result. First of all, we'll be selecting 1. So we'll be selecting this 1 position. Then in this 1 position, we'll be searching VB. Is there any VB? No, not at all. So what would be the result of line 7th? Well, the result of the line 7th would be 0. This is what example we have discussed on the paper. Let's see what is the result of this same program in our Excel file. Here is my Excel file. Now let's write the program. How do we write the program? First of all, we go to developer, then Visual Basic. Then we'll be inserting one form, user form. Then we'll be dragging and dropping our command button. Once the command button is there, you can double click on it and it will open this Visual Basic. Here we can write our code. Now this code is here. I'll delete this line. I'll delete this last line. Now let's execute this code. So let's click this run button. Whenever we'll be pressing this command button, it will be giving us line 1, then line 2 up to line 7th result. Okay, so line 1 result is 6. Line 2 result is 6, line 3 result is 8, line 4 result is 0, line 5th result is 2, line 6th result is 2 and line 7th result is 0. Now let's see what was our output earlier. It was same 666 8 0 2 2 0. Now we have already discussed this in string reverse function. Thank you guys for watching this video.